Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDA NA1 exam. Question number 30. What is the coefficient of x equal to 10 in the expansion of bracket 1 minus x square bracket close is for 20 bracket 2 minus x square minus 1 by x square bracket close is for minus 5. Option A minus 1, option B 1, option C 10, option D coefficient of x is for 10 does not exist. So here the given expression is 1 minus x square is for 20 and 2 minus x square minus 1 by x square is for minus 5. So this can be written as, this can be taken in the denominator, and as there is power is 5, or we can say power is odd, we can change the sign here and take negative common out. If we take negative common out, there will be change in sign. So it will be x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 raised power 5, and minus will be outside the bracket. Okay. If we take it as a square and take it as b square, then it will make the formula of a minus b whole square. So it will be x minus 1 by x raised power 2 into 5, okay, or raised power 10. Okay. So now this expression is changed to 1 minus x square raised power 20 divided by minus bracket x minus 1 by x bracket close raised power 10. Or we can take LCM, x square minus 1 divided by x raised power 10 minus, okay. So this is same. Now x square minus 1 is raised power 10. So it can also be written as 1 minus x square. Sign will not because power is even, so we need not take minus outside the bracket. 1 minus is already there, but if we change this to 1 minus x square, the minus will remain there. Okay, so it will be 1 minus x square raised to power 20 divided by 1 minus x square raised to power 10 divided by x to power 10 and minus sign here. So this will make x 1 minus x square raised to power 10, and this will be here minus x raised to power 10. So if we expand it, then and find out the coefficient of 1, and then it will be 10 c10 1 into 10 power 10, also 1 raised power 10 and x square raised power 0, or it will be equal to 1. So if within the term within the bracket is 1 and it is multiplied by x raised power 10 and minus sign is also there, so then the coefficient of x raised power 10 will be at minus 1. Here it comes out as 1, and because we have minus x raised power 10 outside the bracket, we will multiply it with minus x raised power 10, and then the coefficient of x raised power 10 will be at minus 1. So answer is option A.